Friends, welcome back to our channel. We will discuss about the gauge chart. Uh, I just click on that this one trial sample dataset. I just download this one. Okay, load a sample data. Click on, and after that one I just load this data. Click here and load. Okay, after that loaded data, we will continue this visualization charts. Okay, wait for some time. After finish the load, we'll start our lecture. Okay, yeah, loaded data shown here. Okay, I think we have seen about the donor chart in that last video. Okay, today we will discuss about the gauge chart. I just click here, resize this one. You can put your sales values here, where you want. Okay, but I just click on here and directly take the sum of sales on that gauge chart. Okay, yeah, this 50 percentage area is occupied this chart. Okay, yeah, total sum of sales is showing here 118.73 million. Okay, you can see here 2 237.45 million, 137.45 million. Okay, this is the double amount of that sum of sales. Okay, double of that one value. Okay, yeah, I'll just another one. This here sum of sales. After that sales price here, then sum of sale price is here. Okay. No need to do cosmetic part. If you want to do cosmetic part, you can go there and you can just type it. Okay,